welcome back. My name is Riffa and I live in Pasadena. This is my first video in 2023 and I am right now walking along the Colorado Boulevard in Pasadena. I want to see the preparation, the euphoria for Rose Parade 2023 tomorrow on January 2nd. Stay tuned, guys. People have already planted their mark here, like this one, these chairs. The Froman bookstore already put the barrier for safety. So this is how people mark their territory. They will be sleeping here tonight, overnight. They will be cooking here too, maybe. Some people have already enjoying their afternoon. So I finally arrived at Colorado and Orange. Finally, I took the bus. Oh my God.
Yeah, just go home and get something comfortable to sit on.
NBC. So this will be NBC booth. This is it with the flowers. And there's ABC over there. You can see Rose Parade. And more over there. Oh my God. KTLA, I believe, there. I don't know how to get across the street from here. And there is Univision. To find a way how to cross the street. Oh my gosh, finally I could walk. I could cross the street. Oh, so pretty. So this is it. All the medias, I think, I'm sure they will be here at the beginning. And I'm sure this is one of the cameras. So excited. Oh my God, traffic jam and people, they are filled in Pasadena. I don't know what that will be. That's the camera. I'm sure they are cameras for the medias. Oh. Look at this. So this camera belongs to KTLA, camera 3. Maybe I'll take pictures and sitting here. These are the media section. Like the TVs, all the cameras, they're ready to air the Rose Parade tomorrow. Oh my God, look at the sky, so beautiful. So this is what I'm talking about. The weather has been a little awful this weekend, like the New Year's and Saturday. It was raining, heavy rain and a very strong wind. Today, the sky is rather bright and beautiful. There's the moon there. But the wind is still there, very strong wind. Look at this wind. Oh my God. So this is the souvenir t-shirts of Pasadena Rose Parade. Look at this price. Wow. No kidding. So this is for the teams, Utah Utes and Penn State. Wow.
Have you seen anyone else?
all the big stores is in Old Town. They cover this store with these planks. Helicopters, there are all over Pasadena sky since yesterday. Fans from Utah. Tiffany & Co. absolutely covers. They're covering their store, of course. And this is Crate and Barrel. Already covered the store with planks. Look at this Apple store. Already covered. Another merchandise store.
One, two, three, come on!
Come on, come on. Ooh, the heater. Oh my God, the wind, look at that. Umbrella. Portaloo, they are also very important to keep the city clean and not smelly. Blanket. The weather in Stockholm. The lights. I think they sleep in the car tonight.
I know I saw.
Most of these chairs are empty now. Maybe they're going to look for some food. Somehow, the day before the Rose Parade itself is the day for showing off whatever people have. It's like showing off their antique cars or their Harley. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow at the Rose Parade. Bye bye!